When you search for backpack vacuum cleaners, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Hoover Shoulder Vac Pro. First up is the Hoover Commercial Shoulder Vac Pro. Priced at $363.23, this backpack vacuum caught my attention for its lightweight design and chiropractic harness. If you want to clean comfortably without straining your back, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum's 8.5 amps of power means it delivers solid suction while keeping noise levels at a quiet 66 dBA. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a commercial space or even at home, you get effective cleaning without disturbing the peace. Plus, the HEPA media filter captures dirt and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. With a rating of 4.3 stars from nearly 4,000 reviews, people obviously appreciate its performance. Now, some users have mentioned that the cord could be longer, which can be limiting in larger spaces. Here's the thing though, if you primarily work in smaller areas or don't mind moving around a bit, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, professional-grade vacuum. Skip this one if you need a longer cord for extensive cleaning. For the quality you get, the price is actually reasonable. Now, if you're worried about its cord length, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Hoover Porta Power Canister. Next up is the Hoover Commercial Porta Power Lightweight Canister Vacuum, priced at $129. This caught my eye for its dual functionality and lightweight design. If you want something versatile and easy to handle, this one's worth a look. Weighing only 8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly portable, making it a breeze to carry around. This is huge for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas without hassle. The built-in blower feature is another standout, allowing you to clear debris quickly in your workspace. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 7,300 reviews, it's clear that this vacuum is a hit among users. However, a few complaints arose regarding its suction power in heavy debris scenarios. But honestly, if you're primarily using it for light to moderate cleaning tasks, you'll find that it gets the job done without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a compact vacuum that can handle various tasks. Skip this one if you need something specifically for heavy-duty cleaning. With its price point, it truly offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, Atrix Ergo Backpack. Now let's talk about the Atrix Ergo Backpack Canister Vacuum, priced at $189.99. I was impressed by its ergonomic design and extensive attachment bundle. If you need a vacuum that's comfortable for prolonged use, give this one a serious look. The ergonomic design is a game changer for professional cleaners, as it distributes weight evenly, reducing fatigue during long cleaning sessions. Plus, the included 10 filters ensure you're well equipped for different jobs. With a rating of 4.1 stars from 744 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness. One downside is that some users feel the vacuum could have better suction on larger debris. But here's the thing, if you're using it mainly for dust and small particles, you won't find this an issue. This is perfect for you if you need a vacuum for professional settings or extensive home cleaning. Skip this one if you primarily deal with larger debris. Given its capabilities, it's priced fairly. Now, if you're looking for something even lighter, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Eureka Whirlwind Bagless. Next on the list is the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum, priced at $57.99. This budget-friendly option caught my eye for its lightweight and bagless design. If you're looking for an affordable vacuum that doesn't compromise on performance, this is a great choice. Weighing just 8.15 pounds, it's super easy to carry around your home. The integrated crevice tool is always handy, so you won't lose it when you need it. Plus, with a 4.3-star rating from over 30,000 reviews, users clearly love it. However, some users have mentioned that the suction isn't as strong as some higher-end models. But honestly, if you mainly need it for everyday messes and light cleaning, this vacuum will serve you well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an economical vacuum for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty. For its price, it's a steal. Finally, if you're interested in something even more powerful, let's look at our last product on the list. Product number 5, Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. Last but not least is the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, priced at $59.99. This vacuum is known for its powerful suction and lightweight design. If you want a reliable vacuum that can handle various surfaces, this is worth considering. The dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters is quite generous, so you won't need to change it frequently. Plus, the included attachments let you clean furniture and tight spaces easily. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 14,200 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it at home when noise isn't a big concern, you'll find its cleaning performance well worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful vacuum for diverse cleaning tasks. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you. Overall, it's an excellent value for the performance. Now that we've explored all 5 options, you have a good idea of which backpack vacuum could fit your needs best. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Hoover Shoulder Vac Pro for its comfort, the Hoover Porta Power for versatility, the Atrix Ergo for ergonomics, the Eureka Whirlwind for budget-friendly performance, and the powerful Eureka 3670M. Each has its strengths, depending on what you need. Remember to pick one that fits your cleaning style.